universe.
These planets are usually covered with darkness. A rogue planet is a planet that doesn't have a parent star, so they are lost drifting in space. They are usually hard to detect cause scientists usually look for the stars, and when that star gets dimmer it means a planet is covering it. But for rogue planets, they don't have a star to orbit. They might not always be covered in darkness, they could have brought a moon with them. These planets are usually very dead and inhabitable. My theory on how some rogue planets are made is like this: so there's an asteroid, they collide with other asteroids and more until it creates a planet. And my other theory is like this: there's a binary star, they have a planet but then they kick it out because that's how binary stars work. Their only hope is if they run into other star and start orbiting it. They are extremely cold. Scientists theorized they are failed stars. And how some rogue planets are rogue is by other planet crashing into them. Scientists think there can be millions of them. We have only found 19. Just imagine there can be millions of these. If the rogue planets entered our solar system, it would most likely miss all the planets. But it would probably mess up the orbits, bring Earth out of the habitable zone or the Goldilocks zone. If you don't know what a habitable zone is, it keeps the Earth not too hot and not too cold. If it were to move the Earth, it would probably be inhabitable. They kinda aren't planets. If rogue planets were to have life, they would probably have water that frozen, and there would probably be underwater life that has a similar thing to a hydrothermal vents to warm the water. There are different things that get called rogue planets, like sub-brown dwarfs and gas giants that form from collapsing gas clouds. We don't know much about these planets cause we have only been observing them for a decade or so. They're mostly made of gas clouds. They are truly the loners of the universe.